Dear children, we are going to the one more theorem, that is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is it, children? Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is the meaning of converse is? Means is the opposite to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is the opposite of that is? Means is, so in right angle triangle is given in that is, yes or no? In the Pythagoras theorem means is, we should be applied in that right angle triangle. Okay, but it's the opposite. Means is, the given triangle is not a right angle triangle, but other conditions. What the other condition is, children? That is a square of the one side, means square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides is zero. Means is, the condition is given. We have to prove that is the triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, you should understand now what is the giving in that means is, square of the one side is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides in a triangle. Okay, so what is the first side is there? It's the opposite angle must be that right angle. We have to prove that is. Okay, so once how to be see that is in a triangle, if square of the one side is equals to that sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, in a triangle is how it is a square of the one side is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, so then first side is there, no, it's the opposite angle. Means is, for example, in triangle ABC, square of one side means is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, first side is the AC, no, it's the opposite angle, means is angle B. We have to prove as a right angle triangle. Okay, so that is a given statement, and required to prove is angle B is 90 degrees. You have to prove that is. Yes, they should understand that is the statement is. Okay, then we are going to prove this one now. Yes, to prove that is, what is the given, you have to write it now first. Yes, given. Yes, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is given, student? That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes, that is a given statement is. Okay, then to prove what I want to prove, student? That is angle B is equals to 90 degrees. We have to prove that is. Yes or no, student? So to prove this one is, we have to do that is some construction. Okay, so what we are doing in this construction is, we are drawing that triangle PQR such that angle Q is 90 degrees in this one, as well as AB is equals to PQ, means is PQ is equals to AB, as well as QR is equals to BC is I am taking that is. Okay, yes, so that is draw triangle PQR and angle Q is equals to 90 degrees, and S, so that is PQ is equals to AB and BC is equals to QR. Okay, yes, so that is the construction part. Okay, so then we are doing that is proof. Okay, so in the proof, in triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. According to Pythagoras theorem, what should get this line? That is PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square, by the reason of Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so then after is S. So then here is PR square is equals to PQ is equals to AB, means is AB square plus QR will become, so what is this line? BC. Okay, BC square. Yes, So that is PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. From where we are getting the children? By constitution properties we are getting, that is AB is equal to PQ as well as QR is equal to BC. Okay, so this is a equation 1 you have to be considered. As well as, but what is given children? By the given condition is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is in the given condition. This is from given condition is. So it is equation 2. Okay, once you have to the children, equation 1 and 2 at the right hand side values will becomes is AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, what you should get the children? PR is equal to AC. That is from equation 1 and 2. Yes or no children? Okay, so when you are getting as a PR is equal to AC, means is PR is equal to AC in this triangles now. Okay. Okay, then in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, we are comparing the two triangles now. That is AB is equals to PQ. Okay, that's a by construction. As well as BC is equals to QR. Okay, so then as well as PR is equals to AC. Okay, so by triple congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so when you are getting as a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by CPCT means is corresponding parts of the congruency triangles. Okay, what are it in the children? Angle B is equals to angle Q. How much are the children? That is 90 degrees. Okay, yes. So angle B is equals to angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so required to prove is the which one is the children? That is a angle B is equals to 90 degrees now. So therefore angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, they should understand now. Means is what you have to apply, that means is in a right angle triangle only Pythagoras theorem should be applied. Means is in a right angle triangle square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides, or it's a corners of that is a in a triangle square of the one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Means is first side is what we are having that it's a opposite angle is must be 90 degrees. Means is right angle. They should understand now. You are all understand about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what we are sending the homework must you have to be complete within the time, and you have to be sent through WhatsApp to me. Thank you.